Hello to everyone. In my discussion on stock market, today once again my discussion is on Jet Airways. So the Jet Airways and the employees of that Jet Airways staff, they are in a process and they are seeking that there should be a early revival of this airline. So let us see what are the complete news in this respect, because Jet Airways, we all know that there is a IBC, that Indian bankruptcy process, litigation process is going on this company, Jet Airways, and due to that, the stock price was down the sharply. It was down again with certain news that very soon it will be revived. On that news, it was a lot of trading were made. And what is the latest position? Let us see, because a lot of investors' interest are attached with this stock. So the employees union of this Jet Airways, they have sought that there should be expeditious revival, because the resolution plan is stuck in the IBC code process for almost 2 years. That is insolvency and bankruptcy code. The lender of this company, they have approved the resolution application submitted by this uh, the this 2%, that is the Murali Lal Jalan and Carlock Capital. They have came forward to revive and start the operation of this Jet Airways. So the revival plan was submitted by this Murarilal Jalan and this Carlock Capital to the NCLT, and Jet Airways, the operation was stopped on April 17, 2019, and the matter was referred to NCLT Mumbai for resolution, and it is still stuck for last 2 years. Now the employee base of the company, which was 16,000 uh, at the time of closure, is now only 3,200, including these 240 pilots and these 110 engineers and 650 cabin crew members. The unions uh, have uh, sought that results for delay in handing over the airline to the this winning bidder is that there is lack of clarity on historical slots and routes. So the employees have requested the government to consider the this jet airways slots and routes which are allocated purely on a temporary basis to other airlines. So Jet Airways uh, have working continuously for 25 years, and due to some this insolvency process, those routes were missed, and due to the COVID-19 situation, IATA had these slots were given to other airlines. So the employee union of that company, they have told that as of now we are in a win-win situation. The revival plan of this company will bring positivity to the market, and this will be the first case where an airline would be revived after its 2 years of shutdown. So asset where in this Jet Airways uh, have though lost some value, but uh, and their liabilities had also increased. But still the new bidders are in a position to manage all those things, and we, they have requested the government for their support to start flying. It will give life to the families of the employees, because a lot of loss and difficulties these employees have suffered for the last 2 years. The employees have further said that when IBC was introduced in 2016, the main objective of this insolvency bankruptcy code was to revive sick companies and protect the employment within a stipulated time frame. There are some of the employees who have stated the campaign that Save Jet Airways, and in this case, Jet Airways, which is almost the operations are stopped for last 2 years, and still it is continuing, and for such long period has been are being taken for resolution process. So, keeping in view of the loss and difficulties suffered by this employee, they have not get any salary since January 2019. Keeping on all this, they have requested government for a sympathetic consideration, and keeping in view of the interest of the employees, a early resolution for Jet Airways should be resolved. With all this, my special covering on this resolution plan and revival of Jet Airways. I hope the video which I have made on this revival plan of Jet Airways must have informative for you all viewers. With all this, I am making end of this today's discussion. I give my sincere thanks to all the viewers. Thank you very much.